And with chiropractic adjustments, we know and have seen in the literature that we've touched on each and every week on this podcast, we have the opportunity to enhance sensory motor function, reduce pain, and improve balance. All of these factors independently can mitigate fall risk. When you combine all of those things, again, improving sensory motor function, reducing pain, improving balance, we have a powerful application of who we are and what we do that can make really big impacts in a lot of people's lives in your community.